Hello kids, welcome back. Today we are learning 6th class mathematics chapter 1, knowing our numbers. In that chapter we are exploring the exercise 1.2 in this session. In this exercise we are dealing with the word problems. So what we have to do with word problems? First, analyze the question. That means we have to read the question thoroughly and find out what all given in the question, and you have to write down the steps accordingly. That means first we have to write the given what all the things given in the question and write the steps accordingly. Then analyze what you have to find out. Then do the calculation and find out the result. Okay, here is the first question. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third, and final day was respectively 1094, 1812, 2050, and 2751. Find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. So, what all given? So, in this question, it is given that the number of tickets sold in each day. Okay, so we can write first day. Number of tickets sold on first day. What is given? 1094. Then number of tickets sold on second day. 1812. Then third day it is 2050. And fourth day 2751. And what we have to find out? In the question it is given, find the total number of tickets. So we have to find total number of tickets. So that means what? Add all the number of tickets. So we have to write all the numbers and put plus. That means 1094 plus 1812 plus 2050 plus 2751. When we are adding it, we will get 7707. So that means 7707 tickets were sold on all the 4 days. Okay, so this conclusion step is also important. Second, Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in Test cricket. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? That is our question. So what all given? His score is given, right? And runs scored by Shekhar. So that is 6,980. Then runs that he wants to achieve, that is 10,000, right? Then how many more runs does he need? So what it means? Is it an addition or subtraction? No, we have to find how many more runs. More runs means we have to do the difference, right? So the runs required is equal to 10,000 minus 6,980. Then do the calculation accordingly. We will get 3,020. Okay. So he needs 3,020 more runs to complete 10,000 runs. Third, in an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes, and here his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? So what all given? Number of votes secured by successful candidate, that is equal to 5,77,500. Then number of votes secured by his nearest rival, 3,48,700. Margin between them, that means margin is what? Difference between the successful candidate and the nearest rival, right? So that is equal to 5,77,500 minus 3,48,700. When you are doing the calculation, you will get 2,28,800. Candidate won by the margin of 2,28,800 votes. Okay. Then fourth, Fourth question. Kirti bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June and books worth rupees 4,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? In which week was the sale greater and by how much? Okay, so in this question it is given the sale of first week and second week of the June, and what we have to find out, we have to find out the sale for the 2 weeks together, right? Then write down the given books sold in the first week, that is 2,85,000 and 2,85,891. Books sold in second week 4,768. Then total books sold. So total books sold means we have to add this together. Then we will get 6,86,659. Since this one, the 4 lakh is greater, right? So we can say the second week is more. Therefore, the sale of second week is greater than that of the first week. But we have to find out how much later this one was. So books sold in the second week minus books sold in the first week. So we will get the difference, that is 1,14,877. Find the difference between the greatest and the least number that can be written by the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3 and each only ones. So what you have to find out, find the difference between the greatest and the least. So greatest means using these given digits we have to write the greatest number. How will we write the greatest number? We will write in the descending order. So 7, 6, 4, 3, 2. Likewise we have to write, and if it is least number, in ascending order, that is 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Then our question is find the difference. 432 minus 23,467. So the difference is 52,965, and that would be the answer.